everyone, and welcome to Ola Joe the Crocheting Sailor. I'm coming on to show you what's in the box. I came on the yarn ship to look for some items and I discovered this box. This box was opened and I will show you what's inside. We are going to see together because I have no clue. So I pulled everything out. There was no label inside, which means that I probably unboxed this during a live, and then I put everything back in the box, and then I put it to the side. So let's go ahead and open this up. There's a third hook. Oh my goodness. And you see what this says? It says celebrating 11 years of fun with FURLS Fiber Arts. And you know we're on 12 years. So it's so funny that I've just discovered this. This is so pretty. And I think what I might do is color this. Might be an idea. So let's get into the hooks. Oh my goodness. I cannot believe it. Oh, this is the birthday glitter hook. It has to be. It's a J. It's a 6mm. Oh my goodness. Look at the sparkle and shine on this. Oh yes, I've had to probably shown that in a live. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Here's a K hook. 6.5mm. Oh, my goodness. And last but not least, let's see what this one is. Ooh. So excited. Wow, look at this big baby. It's a Q. This is a 15mm FURLS hook. Oh, wow, this is so nice. I'm a knife holder. Oh, this feels good in my hands. Oh my goodness. So this is what I got. I'll show them all together. I can go ahead and add this to my FURLS hook collection. There we are. So I had to pull these large hooks out from FURLS. I'm showing 2R hooks. You can see it stamped right there. That's a 20mm for each one of these. Put it up close so you can see. One seems to be a little bit lighter than the other one. I love the nice grain that it has on each. Remember, each hook is different, and here is the S. This is a 25mm crochet hook, and I wanted to point out that these larger hooks, the largest ones from FURLS, can fit into the zippered pouch, so they can go in here really, really nicely. So if you want to take them, put them in here for traveling purposes, they'll fit in here really, really nicely. Oh, I'm excited. So if you did not get an opportunity to jump on the sale, it is still going on, and I think you have until 11:30 p.m. Central Standard Time tonight to get yours. So you can go ahead and use my affiliate link. No cost to you, but I do get a little bit of kickback. I greatly appreciate it. I'll put the link in the description box down below. Thank you so much for tuning in. You all have a wonderful evening or a wonderful day wherever you are in the world. And stay tuned for more exciting furls videos and other videos coming up soon. I love you all. Have a wonderful day and live each day as if it were your last. I'll see y'all next time.